Our Indian Parliament is really powerful. It can actually change the map of our country. This power to create new states and change existing borders is super important. It shapes how our government works and affects the lives of millions of Indians. Imagine redrawing state lines, making new capital cities, and reorganizing how things are run. This is the power our parliament has, a power that shows how adaptable our democracy is. The key to this power is Article 3 of the Indian Constitution. This article gives Parliament the right to make new states by taking land from existing ones. It also lets Parliament make a state bigger or smaller, change its borders, or even change its name. Article 3 isn't just a rule. It shows how our nation is always changing. It recognizes that India's map isn't fixed and might need to change as society and politics change. Making a new state involves many different people. It starts with the President of India suggesting it to the state government. This suggestion is based on things like language, culture, and administration. The state government then gives its opinion. While the President doesn't have to agree with the state, their opinion is important. Finally, the Parliament talks about and votes on the idea of a new state, deciding whether to make it happen or not. Telangana and Uttarakhand. Examples of new states. India has changed its states many times. Telangana, created in 2014, is a recent example. Made from a part of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana became a new state after many people campaigned for it. Similarly, Uttarakhand was created in 2000 from the mountain areas of Uttar Pradesh. This shows how India recognizes different cultures and geographies within a bigger state. These examples show how flexible India's government is and how it listens to what people in different regions want. Two sides of the coin, good and bad of changing states. The power to change states has two sides. It allows for better government and representation by matching state borders with language and culture. It can help groups who haven't had much power and help regions grow, but it can also cause problems. Making new states can sometimes cause disagreements between regions and lead to demands for even more divisions. Finding a balance between listening to people's concerns and keeping the country united is a constant challenge. Unity in diversity, Parliament's job in a diverse India. In a diverse country like India, Parliament's power to change states isn't just a rule, it's a way to keep everyone united. It lets the country listen to what its people want while staying together as one. The key is to use this power wisely, thinking about the future of the country and its citizens. As India continues to change, this power will remain important in shaping its political landscape and making sure that all the different states reflect the many different people who live in India.